guys, and welcome to the 6th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. In this video, I am featuring magazine files. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. In a world that is becoming more and more paperless, these have their surprising uses for everything but magazines. The purpose of a magazine holder is to hold magazines upright for easy access by title. You do not want to purchase a bunch of magazine files just to hold a bunch of magazines that you will never read, especially if you have subscriptions, as they will continue to accumulate. The best ways to use these is to limit yourself to one holder and do the one in, one out rule to keep things from getting out of hand. These are also great for storing cardstock. I recommend storing them within poly envelopes or files to keep them from bending if you do not use them often enough. These can also be perfect for a command center or incoming mail center at your desk or in your kitchen. Click the eye in the corner for my ultimate guide to organizing your paperwork. For some unconventional uses, you can store cleaning cloths and food wrap upright under the sink for easy access. Potatoes and onions can be stored in the pantry. Pasta and boxed goods can be stored upright for easy access. Water bottles can be stored on a pantry shelf, so you can see your selections and choose what size or type you need that day. Hair appliances and accessories can be easily accessed under your bathroom sink. You can store large makeup palettes upright on your vanity. Under or on top of your desk, you can hide a surge protector and modem. And you can store underwear and socks in your closet if you want to nix having to use a dresser. Click the eye in the corner if you missed my closet shelf divider video that helps to eliminate having to use a dresser as well. These are perfect for narrow spaces if you have a selection of tall or long items you need to access easily. Here we have this incoming mail center between this narrow space between the microwave and refrigerator. First, as always, don't purchase more magazine files than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products. Inexpensive, lightweight organizers are perfect for lightweight items like yarn, and heavier, more durable organizers are perfect for heavier items like cutting boards or items you access frequently, like your command center. As usual, I will have links to affordable versions of magazine files on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resource below so that you can know if the use of magazine files will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!